We're having a Super Sunday here at the 6th Knowledge Summit 2015. The next speaker with us today, I'm greatly excited to announce, is Mr. Debashish Mohanty, President and Head, Retail and Investor Service Management, UTI Mutual Fund. May I request Shankar Bhatt to kindly escort him onto the stage, please, and also kindly give away Ponnade a shawl and felicitate Mr. Debashish. Can we give Mr. Debashish a huge round of applause? He's going to start off with an amazing topic. It's Road Ahead for IFAs. I'm sure this is one topic you wouldn't want to miss. A small brief about Mr. Debashish. He has been 2.5 decades of valuable experience in mutual fund industry. And before taking up the current assignment, Mr. Mohanty had the experience of heading the team for policy planning and strategy, marketing and corporate communications cell. Mr. Mohanty is a postgraduate and MPhil in economics from the Center of Economic Study and Planning, JNU. Put your hands together for Mr. Mohanty. I'm sure you're all excited to see what is the road ahead for the IFAs. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, Galaxians. Anai Barukum Vanakkam. This is the 6th continuous year I have been attending with pleasure. This is my greatest pleasure that IFA Galaxy conferences are not to be missed. This year also, it was my desire and it materialized. And let me tell you, when we talk of Galaxy, it reminds us of stars. And here present, all of you are very, very unique stars. Such is your star power that you bring prosperity to a whole lot of millions of people, which the astrological stars cannot bring. And when astrological star brings something negative, your prosperity will overcome that and take them on good path. With that, the topic today that was given, there was a little bit of confusion. Earlier it was investors, how to bring investors to the IFA, and now it is the road ahead. I thought, okay, no problem. In my childhood once, I prepared for the essay cow, and the question came the flood. So I know how to converse and write on both the topics. In fact, the discipline that Mr. Babu Krishnamurthy and your other organizers are showing, this platform trains ones for TED platform. How to complete your whatever you want to speak in exactly 15 minutes, otherwise the bell will ring. That makes you get that discipline and prepare for that. Friends, when we are talking about the road ahead has to be very big new freeway or expressway. It has to be lots of opportunity and free flow and smooth. Why? From yesterday onward, we have been listening about a lot of statistics and why the apprehension, whatever is there in your mind, that regulatory changes are coming, the margin may be moderated. All these signal, or Sumit Bose committee, which even talks about the free look period. Mr. Sumit Bose probably doesn't know in mutual fund and in marriage, the free look doesn't work. So a lot of other things, all those apprehensions that has come, are they rightly placed? I will say no. I will agree with all of my previous speakers that the industry and the financial intermediation through IFA has only one future, that is bright and brighter and brightest. There is no other way. Why so? Few points, because 15 minutes is a limitation and I have a plan to show a video of what will the world in 2020. So I will complete it in 10 to 11 minutes. Demography. You know, in some of the countries, you will find that working population is high. India, China are one such countries. And in some of the other countries, there are older population living longer. People who live long, they need to have lots of wealth in order to sustain them. So that continues, and this working population being aware about that old age they will live long, the uncertainties about their health and their old age, retirement, people will be constrained to save. More saving, more awareness, more conversion to converting to investment. So in a macro view, in a big picture, the industry only will attract more money demographically. Technology we have been talking about, I will touch upon that. Technology will facilitate. Technology will not hinder. Technology will not disrupt. The disruption will be positive. And all these things will make asset management industry more, and all those tons of wealth will be converted through the hands of IFA, so that future also is bright. Government policies will be pro-mutual fund. You know that one of the reasons is banks and insurance companies will not be suitable to attract resources for capital market, and even their own assets, insurance own assets or even banks own assets, the proprietary investment, some of the governments already thought of in the world to give it to asset management industry. In India, it may follow soon. Even in the part of the third-party selling for banks, there are a lot of regulations regulating that third-party selling by banks, which a good development for the IFAs as a whole. Interconnecting of the countries and specifically emerging countries will provide more opportunity for the investors. And all these things tells us that future is good. But I will quote one Tamil Tirukural's version, Nandre Tarinum Nadu Bikandam Akatai Andre Uliyo Bidalo, which means while we are talking about the road will be very good and bright, but it will be rough and uncertain if we behave different manner. I know the principles of IFA Galaxy are limited to people who are sitting here, or maybe to 2,900 people who are watching from all over India. But there are many people. The road will be uncertain if we are not following the principles taught by IFA Galaxy. If we are not operating Dil Se, Hindi DIL, Dil Se, but operating Deal Se, DEAL. From deal to deal if we operate, if we give the business to the highest bidder, and if we chase always Lakshmi and never Saraswati, and we always chase income and not the outcome, and we busy in selling for long distance trips, not long term ships, what will happen? If we spend more number of days outside India than with customers in India, what will happen? You know, yesterday Himanshu was showing one slide where they show that the variation in the performance, right from average 13.5% to lowest bottom 2.5%, difference of 10.5% was there. He was showing. He was telling that the benefits of advising can be such a big, huge difference. Not necessarily. Which one is advice, which one is not, we don't know. We can't sell. If it heads, I told you so, it is my skill. And if it tails, it's your bad luck. We can't say that. And if we follow this, I don't think the road will be smooth and freeway. It will be clumsy, traffic jams, roadblocks, and all these things will come. Friends, there are two views, micro views and macro views. You know why regulatory backlash came? Why everywhere media was up against the industry? Because there were two perceptions. I'm talking about 1.5 years back onward. The perception of mis-selling and the perception of high pricing. I'm not telling you the reality, perception. But in life, this is unfair that always perception is reality. Even if you are not, if people think, impact will come as if they are true. So what gives rise to this type of perception? And what are the outcomes? The outcome is introduction of direct. Tomorrow the outcome can be cap in commission. The B15 pricing can be bombarded with a B-52. All these things can be possible because the perception has been established, concretized, that we are mis-selling, because some of us didn't follow the rule, which Thiruvikaral, I just told in Tamil, that what is good for the investor is good for us, good for the industry. Somewhere we have not followed that. And I'm not telling that all of us are doing that. Few of us giving rise to this misgiving. We have been talking whether it should be transaction-led or advisory-led. And there the fear come, the apprehension come. My point is, even distribution service is a very noble service, and there it is not advisory free. We are giving advice only in the transactions in distribution. So be proud of, if you are not an advisor, try to be advisor, but people who are doing a distribution service, nothing wrong in this. The country needs different types of service. When we talk about Sarv Swasthya Abhiyan, that universal health program, it was not achieved by only MDs and super specialties throughout the country. There are various types of service providers, the cafeteria approach which they call. Different tiers of service providers were there. The new age, what you call that, new cadre IFAs who can sell only few well-regulated products. Then the distributor, then national distributor, then advisor, wealth advisors, different people are there. Only thing is, for the distributor, the pricing is indirectly paid and not directly paid. So if we continue this perception, what else it can give rise? If we think, two things comes to my mind. There can be a new profession called financial pathologist. This financial pathologist will be nothing. They will be a neutral party and judging your service. They will tell the investors, digitally connected, you have been advised by so many IFAs, come show me your advice, show me your results, I will test and tell you whether your advisor was good or not, whether he has advised you perfectly or not. You cannot stop it. We think of our success, somebody else think of new success, new profession will come up. From there it can give rise to something called IFA rating. Again, a neutral party like CIBIL may come up, will tell, okay, you are an IFA has been advising you, let me rate him. You pay for it, I will rate you, give me all the information. Or he may even tell you, hi Mr. IFA, you get yourself rated better, and I will give you star or something like that, then you can flash it. These are all now we are imagining, but whatever we were imagining in 90s happened in 2002-3, whatever we were thinking of 2003 happened. So these things can come because there were fear, there was digitally connected world, transparency, democratized society. There are choices and voices for people. People can use the digital method to reach out to all sorts of stakeholders. But despite that, why I am telling people who are good, who are the guiding lights for the investors, they will continue to prosper, because the basic investor psychology in India or elsewhere, specifically we'll talk about India. You know, in some of the seminar, it was discussed. Now, Indian customers ask for two things. Aur dikhao, show me more. And second, ye kitna deta hai. These are the two fundamental psychology Indian customers operate from. Give me more options, the more option, more confusion, and kitna deta hai. Fundamentally in mutual fund industry, nobody can tell kitna deta hai. Hence, this has to be convinced, cajoled. He has to go through a process of awareness. And the second principle is technology changes, but fundamentals of business does not change. What is our fundamentals of business? We do not sell a 3D product. It cannot be touched, felt, or seen. We sell an experience product. And for that experiencing, we cannot give him for a test drive or a free sample or free download. It has to be told him, taught to him, and for that the basic fundamental principle of dependence on some third party, that is IFA, will continue. You can only use the technology to better your prospects and reach out to more number of people and in less time possible and getting more effective way of what you are good at already. Technology will not disrupt, technology only will help. Because of that, all the AMCs are providing platforms, and that platform is helping you only doing more business. Suppose you are a black and yellow taxi owner, Kali Pili taxi owner. What are the options for you to be doing the business model? Will do more of your customer through that car, or you will change yourself, transform yourself. What yesterday the speaker was telling, maintain, grow, and transform or evolve. You have to do that, evolve. And for that, you have to change your principle, change your technology, and then you can achieve more and more. Time was there when in India, parking space, pine ka pani, or public toilet was available for free. Now it is not available for free, people are paying for it. So why not the advisory will be paid? So it requires some time, but over a period of time that paying capacity will come. I will take one more minute. So before conclude and show that video, I will tell what will take us through and permanently for many years we will be successful. First is trust. Whatever you do, see to it that your trust is gained and continued and strengthened. Whatever you call it brand, you call it good service, but the trust has to be maintained from day one. Second T is technology. Technology is your friend. Everybody is talking. You better learn it and use it. The third is, now that upfront commission is under question, may or may not be there, AMCs should come forward to maintain a limited period tied structure for 2-3 years so that the new IFA is given some breathing time so that he accumulates his assets before he earns good amount of trail and sustain. Last thing is training, which IFA Galaxy and other people are giving. You should continue to train yourself, learn yourself, upgrade yourself, follow a process, follow technology, then success will be yours and there should be no fear. We'll see a video which says what will be the world in 2020. I wish all of you prosperity in your family life, personal life and professional life. Thank you all. Sorry, Babu, it exceeded little time, but your theme was 2020, so it perfectly matches with that.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Very insightful presentation and the video.
Definitely, and may I request Mr. Suresh Parthasarathi to kindly come on stage and present a memento to Mr. Mohanty as a token of our gratitude, and particularly we want to appreciate the fact that you brought in Thirukural. You took the effort and brought in Thirukural. A big round of applause to him, please.